Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Ashraf bin Anas and my group member is Siti Nur Khatijah binti Nurluddin and Shima binti Omar. Alright, now we are from group WorldSpan. Okay, now I will introduce about GDS. Alright, a global distribution system, GDS, works as a network for allowing service providers in the travel industry to carry out transactions. The system are almost totally used by travel agency or similar companies in order to access real-time information about the hotel room availability, airline ticket availability, and similar products. Travel agents then use these to reserve products or service for their customers. A GDS system remains one of the most significant distribution channels for those in the hotel industry, because it offers opportunities for global reach and can grow the number of hotel room bookings generate, resulting in larger revenue. Right. GDS is different from a computer reservation system, which is a reservation system used by the service providers, also known as vendors. Primary customers of GDS are travel agents who make reservations on several reservation systems run by the vendors. GDS holds on the inventory. The inventory is held on the vendor's reservation system itself. A GDS system will have a real-time link to the vendor's database. For example, when a travel agency requests a reservation on the service of a particular airline company, the GDS system routes the request to the appreciated airline's computer reservation system. Alright, we continue. Now I will describe about WorldSpan background. Okay, WorldSpan is a provider of travel technology and content and a part of the Travelport GDS business. It builds worldwide electronic distributions of travel information, internet products and connectivity, and e-commerce capabilities for travel agencies, travel service providers, and cooperation. Its primary system is commonly known as a global distribution system, which is GDS, which is used by travel agents and travel-related websites to book airline tickets, hotel rooms, rentals, car, tour package, and associated product. WorldSpan also hosts IT service and product solution for a major airlines. Okay, now I will describe about WorldSpan history. Alright, WorldSpan was made in early 1990 by Delta Airlines, Northwest Airlines, and TWA to operate and vend its GDS service to travel agencies worldwide. WorldSpan worked very efficiently and profitably, successfully expanding its business in markets throughout North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Consequently, in mid-2003, WorldSpan was sold by its owner, Airlines, to Citigroup Venture Capital and Ontario Teachers Pension Fund, which in turn sold the business to Travelport in 2007. WorldSpan was formed in 1990 by combining the PARS partnership companies that owned by TWA and Northwest Airlines and datas to a division of Delta Airlines. One of the WorldSpan predecessors, TWA PARS, became the first GDS to be installed in travel agencies in 1976. Abacus, an Asia company owned by a number of Asian airlines, owned a small portion of WorldSpan, and WorldSpan owned a small portion of Abacus. Okay. Next, WorldSpan and Abacus go into a series of business and technology relationships. This relationship will end after Abacus engaged in fraudulent and deceptive practice for which WorldSpan received a sizable judgment in arbitration in London. That's all from me. Thank you. Next will be the second presenter, which is Siti Nur Khatijah binti Nurluddin.
Next, the logo of WorldSpan. As you can see, the logo of WorldSpan come up with the logo of Travelport because it is a part of the Travelport GDS business. Through the logo, we can see that Travelport Global Distribution System is the owner of WorldSpan. WorldSpan GDS offer worldwide electronic distribution of travel inventory, internet products, and connectivity. Furthermore, WorldSpan also offer e-commerce capabilities for travel agencies, travel service providers, and corporations globally. The system facilitates online airline booking, online hotel booking, online car rental booking, online bus booking, and many other services. WorkSpan GDS helps a lot in decreasing the implementation costs. It also helps in increasing the revenue and developing a brand name for the organization. WorkSpan operated its business in markets throughout North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. The airlines that use WorkSpan are Delta Airlines, Northwest Airlines, and Transworld Airlines. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
My prediction of GDS is GDS will still be relevant in the future because a global distribution system is a wonderful tool that properties should use to reach customers easily. Moreover, nowadays, people prefer things that can make their work easy and fast. If you are looking to expand internationally, there is no easier way to give you property global reach than through the GDS. The majority of businesses and leisure travel from United States is booked via the GDS, and booking from countries such as Russia, Japan, India, and China are on the increase. Many large companies use the GDS to arrange their travel expenses. Expressing is a good mind when it comes to attracting more corporate travelers. The GDS enables all expenses to be tracked, making it easy and user-friendly for companies to make hotel reservations for their employees. Other than that, the four main GDS providers in the travel industry are Amadeus, Sabre, Galileo, and WorkSpan, helping travel agents grow the volume of travel transactions. It was revealed that the GDS will remain the most important channel of distribution for airlines, hotels, and car rentals company alike. Next, a global distribution system GDS is strong and always continuous annual growth. GDS production continues to grow year on year by as much as 5% to 10% worldwide. In fact, not too long ago, GDS booking were actually outpacing direct booking, growing 16 faster. What's more, it was announced earlier in 2019 that GDS hotel bookings experienced a record year in 2018, generating over 75 million annual reservations globally. Similarly, travel agencies are an ever-growing, influential force in the hotel industry. The GDS as a viable revenue channel continues to experience strong annual growth and is not going away anytime in the future. Last but not least, for years, GDS has been serving the travel industry with reliability, security, speed, and accuracy to airlines, hospitality, car rentals, bus tickets, and many more. As per the International Airlines Transportation Association study, the future of GDS is very hard and it will create a robust e-commerce platform for the travel industry. If GDS keep continuing the ever-changing needs of airline and hotel industry, then it will rule the travel industry. Finally, we can conclude that a global distribution system is really function and helpful in travel industry by providing centralized services by covering the bookings of airline ticket, car rental, travel agency, hotel rooms, and other companies. Other than that, GDS now will help the travel companies, agent, and their customer to access the travel data by comparing rates, reservation options, access scheduling and inventories, hotel, airlines, car rental, holidays, bus ticket, railway ticket, along with options of allowing the customer to book ticket online. The services provided by GDS make a lot of benefit for this company.